In this video, we'll show you how to install the sash on a side-load window. Side-load windows are designed with a removable sash, making it easy to remove, clean, and reinstall. Start by locating the sash takeout clips, which are silver clips located inside the left and right jambs of the window frame. Each of these clips should be extended with a small, flathead screwdriver. Once the takeout clips have been extended, unlock the bottom sash and slowly raise it until the balances on both sides have contacted the sash takeout clips on each side of the window sash. This will disengage the sash from the frame. Then, slowly move the sash to one side until the opposite side of the sash has been cleared from the frame. Continue to move the sash until you can remove the sash from the opening. Now, to reinstall the sash in a side-load window, begin by inspecting the window to be sure the balances are positioned correctly and are ready to accept the sash. The balances on the left and right should be engaged into sash takeout clips, or the silver clips on each side of the window. Once you've verified this, grasp the sash firmly in both hands and slowly insert the sash into one side of the window. Position the balance into the channel on the side of the sash, then slowly rotate the other side of the sash towards the window frame. Once the sash has cleared the window side jamb, slowly move the sash from the opposite side and engage the sash channel into the balance. The bottom of the balances on each side should be slightly exposed. Next, slowly lower the sash, making sure that the balances stay engaged with the sash as it's moving. Operate the sash slowly up and down to be sure it's been installed correctly.